Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you TikTok Live Studio microphone settings that you need to know. Right, so this is really easy. Once you go to your TikTok Live, before going live you just have to make sure that your TikTok setting is up to date. So the very first thing which you have to do, right, you have to go to the settings of your laptop or PC and make sure you just go to the settings here. And here, once you're here, you have to make sure that you search for microphone here and just go and click on microphone setup. Now here make sure your speech language is in English and microphone, and here volume speed you can just set up to you, right? And once everything is done here, make sure that your device is working properly. For example, go to the Bluetooth and devices here and make sure that your microphone is up to date, right? You can just always do it from here. For example, I can just go and I can just go to the settings here, and if I just go on here, I can just always reduce and as well as increase the volume of each and everything, right? So once you have downloaded your TikTok Live Studio, you will get this option to increase and as well as decrease at the same time. Now another thing is to add, this is just like an OBS, right? OBS is also help you to go live on different platforms, same way TikTok Live is made for. Now make sure that whenever you're recording, your audio input capture should be on, right? And it should not go in red, because the sound will be really bad and actually this will get cut, right? So this is very important, just to make sure that you go and follow all the instruction very carefully. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.